The problem is not that we don't have problems. The problem is that we get consumed by those problems. It's not that we don't have bad habits. It's not that we don't have challenges. It's not that we don't have problems. The problem is that we get consumed by those. We shouldn't get consumed by the negative things. We should be dealing with the negative things. We should be consumed by the positive things, the wonderful things that are happening around us. We should be consumed by the positive energy, by focusing on the gifts, the blessings that we have been showered with. We need to get consumed by positive energy and deal with the negative energy of problems, challenges, difficulties, trying circumstances, and our negative habits. Gratitude for all those wonderful things that are happening is such an incredible positive emotion, and the more we get consumed by that positive emotion of gratitude, to that extent we get empowered to deal with the negative that's happening in our lives. Get consumed by the positive energy. Focus not on your bad habits. Get consumed not by the negative energy of your bad habits. Sometimes we just get so consumed by it that all that's playing on our mind is that. No, that's meant to be dealt with. Focus on the good things that are happening in your life. And to focus on the good things and be grateful doesn't happen automatically. It's not our default setting. Our default setting is to go towards the negative. Our default setting is to focus on the negative. We have to customize our lives. By being consciously aware, we have to become more mindful and conscious of the wonderful gifts, the wonderful opportunities, the wonderful blessings that we've been showered with. And with that positive energy, with that positive emotion of gratitude, feel tremendously empowered to deal with our bad habits, to deal with our challenges. And therefore, do not be hateful about what you're going through in life. Be grateful for all those wonderful gifts that you've been given in your life.